Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini strips. So let me show you the ingredients. Fresh zucchini, olive oil, salt, garlic, onion, dried parsley, and red flakes. Wash the zucchini. Zucchini is one of my favorite vegetables because it's a little sweet. We cut the zucchini in half. Slices in the middle, and then we're going to make it strips. And if you do it right, it's really a treat. And most of the time when you get zucchini strips, they will spray. You try to make it the same size so that way they bake evenly. And 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. I want the olive oil to go. Okay. You know what? We're going to use 2 teaspoons of dry onion. We're not using any flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of red flakes. And we're going to use 2 teaspoons of dry parsley. The thing now, we just got to mix it really well. You want the spices to cover all the zucchini. We preheated the oven 400 degrees. You can do it in an oven or you can do it in an air fryer. I'm gonna spray the pan with olive oil. So the oven is preheated to 400, so we're gonna put it in the oven. Baked zucchini. Looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. So today we have some zucchini strips.
Oh yeah, it looks delicious. Strips.
You know, zucchini is one of my favorite vegetables to eat. And you know, when I go, say, to an Italian restaurant, they usually have zucchini strips. And you know, it's fried, it has breadcrumbs on it. And I always kind of feel guilty about eating it. But I just love zucchini. So when I stopped making this, I really felt like I found something that was missing out of my life without guilt. It's not fried, you know what I mean? So actually you do taste the actually zucchini and then you taste the rest of the spices.
Yeah.
But it's a very easy recipe, it's healthy, it's delicious. Good energy.
I was so lost into the flavor. Yeah.
Go to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe.